Gab, what you got in your arm? What is it?
Stamp, the geyser stamp.
It's a geyser stamp? Yeah, it is. That's for what?
It's for this show
Show of what?
of the geyser.
Geyser. Why, where are you now?
I'm gonna walk.
Where are you now? You know where we are? You read that. You read where we are.
Wai-o-Tapu. Wai-o-Tapu.
We're in Wai-o-Tapu.
When we first visited Rotorua, Wai-o-Tapu was shut for maintenance and updates. We were glad to finally explore it during our North Island winter road trip. One of the main attractions in Wai-o-Tapu is the Lady Knox Geyser. It is not really a nature's beauty since it is triggered by man, but still impressive, and the history behind it is fascinating.
Welcome to our Lady Knox Geyser. My name is Tatiana and it is my pleasure of presenting our Lady Knox Geyser to you all today. So our story begins in the 1800s. It was estimated that there were 130 active geysers in our region. By the mid-1900s that number had fallen down to 15. Nowadays there are only 10 active geysers in our region, our Lady Knox being one. Clever scientists later worked out that it was the prisoner's homemade soap that broke the surface tension under the reservoir. We've been inducing her this way for over 80 years now, and today I'll be recreating our history for you all today.
That's the soap, babe.
Gab, it's not gonna be loud.
That's a strong geyser. That's not a strong geyser, isn't it, right?
It will spray a little bit. There are bubbles.
Oh, there are bubbles. Oh yeah, because of the soap, right?
Yeah.
And that's gonna pop. Whoa, it's doing more. Whoa. That's cool. Wow, that is cool. I mean, did you hear the rumbling?
Yeah, there was a little rumbling.
I think because of... Wow. It looks like a shower, but that's the danger shower.
Yeah, it's a hot, scalding shower.
I'll call that the devil's shower. Yeah.
Yay!
The loud geysers are the one like that, right?
Yeah.
And sometimes they crack because it has so much pressure.
What,
Right.
the geyser? Some geysers.
Yeah.
I will be full as long as I'm with
We're on adventure. We're on adventure.
Yeah, it's been so long, but it feels brand new. And
Another attraction to explore in Wai-o-Tapu is the geothermal area. It is a fairly easy walk that would take 2 to 3 hours to complete.
I would live it at least 100 more times, baby. What a beautiful way to spend a life. We worked hard and we made it through. There's nothing in this world that we can't do when it's me and you. I want this forever, can you be my girl? I want you to know you're my whole damn world. My whole damn world. I would live it at least 100 more times, baby. What a beautiful way to spend a life.
Past 3.
Yay!
Working hard dark just to keep on the lights.
The path took us to several geothermal pools, and the most stunning for us is the Champagne Pool.
That's right. Remember living life two of a kind. Remember Simba sitting at the front door of Green just to greet with the bite.
It's like paint poured on it. It's not yucky. Yeah, if it's a bit duller, it will be yucky.
Looks like it's gonna be you and me.
Gab, look.
Little birds flying from.
Both the Lady Knox Geyser and the Geothermal Walk are paid attractions, but there is a free one and worth seeing. It is the mud pool. It is the largest mud pool in the southern hemisphere.
Your side, two free birds going for a ride. Doesn't that sound nice?
We had a delicious authentic Mexican lunch at El Mexicano Zapata Cantina, which we suggest not to miss when in Rotorua.
Beautiful way to spend a life.
How's your food? It's good? Yeah, it is good.
After a day of adventure in Rotorua, we treat ourselves with a nice soak at the secret spot hot tubs before checking in at our accommodation.
Tell me what you're doing here.
Naked. It's in the middle of winter.
Yeah.
And you're naked.
Now,
What
we're going to a hot tub.
You're going to a hot tub. What are you gonna do in a hot tub?
Relax.
Looks deep.
It looks deep.
Just wet me. And just
Come here, boy.
Cheers!
Yes.
Cheers to more adventures.
Open.
And put it here.
Go.
Maybe it will only turn on when it's morning, right?
Whoa, grab
Oh,
it.
we got a nice view.
You got your own coffee. Got your own coffee for your lucky.
Coffee for your what?
You're lucky boy, you got your own coffee.
Look,
Whoa, look! Moy!
we have a tub.
Look, Moy. You can open the tub, Moy. Alright, we won't leave.
You don't know how to play it? I don't know how to. No!